Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you are watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to SIMnet. So in today's assignment, we will discuss Excel 2021 Practice Chapter 3 Guided Project 323. First, we just open that one. So in today's video, we will discuss Excel 2021 in Practice Chapter 3 Guided Project 323. So before going to solve this assignment or this project, first we move to our whole assignment, how many points we have in today's assignment. So in today's assignment, we have, I think so, 13, 14, 18, okay, we have 16 question in graded part, 15 question. 16 is just like non-graded, 17 and 18. So we have just 15 question in today's assignment. So before going to solve this assignment step by step, first we just in required we have to click on this start file that we call solution file also. So that is just getting opening. Okay, once it open, then we will start. Now we are moving to our next guided project 323 Blue Lake. We are on Windows, so that's why we are just opening in window. Blue Lakes Sporting Goods has location in major cities. For this project, you create a pie chart and bar chart to display each store's contribution to golf related sales and how total sales involved for the period. You create a line chart to illustrate the break-even sales needed for new items. Student learning outcome, we will cover all these SLOs in today's project. File needed, this one that we have already downloaded from start file link. So after completed, our file name would be this one. Okay. Skill covered in today's assignment. What skill we will cover in today's assignment? So we will cover create size, position and pie chart, object, apply chart style, export pie chart slice, delete the legend from the chart, reposition the data label in the chart, create clustered bar chart, object, format data labels and data series, add all text to chart, insert and format sparklines in worksheet. So all these skills will be covered in today's project. This image appears when object instruction has changed to upgrade an object to Microsoft Office 365. If instruction does not match your version of Office, try using alternate instruction instead. Okay. So steps to complete this project. In graded part, we have 15 questions as we saw early in video. So steps to complete this project, more the steps as check when you complete them. So in first part, we have to open that Excel file that we have downloaded. We have already opened that one. Then in next part, we have to click on enable editing. Click on enable editing. Then the file will rename automatically to include your name. Yes, you may see our name is there automatically, that add our name. So first part is done. After solving first part, now we are moving toward next part. In question number 2, we have to create a pie chart object. So in first part, select revenue by department sheet. We just move to a revenue by department worksheet, and there select the range A4 to A4 to F4. So A4 to F4. Then hold on control key, then select A13 to F13. Okay, both ranges are selected. Then in next part, we have to click insert pie chart or donut chart. Pie chart or donut chart, and from here what chart we have to select, and choose 3D pie chart. So from here we have to select 3D pie chart. So question number 2 is done. In question number 2 there are two parts. In short, after reading instruction of question 2, we get idea that we have to create pie chart. So in first part we have to move toward revenue by department sheet and select the range A4 to F4, then hold on control key and select A13 to F13 range. Both ranges are selected, then we move toward part B where we have to insert pie chart or diagonal chart button, and there we have to choose 3D pie chart, and we have created that one. So question number 2 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 3. Apply chart style. So now we have to apply chart style. Select the chart object if necessary. You may see chart is already selected. Okay. So in next part we have to click more button. Here we have to select more button, and then what we have to select? We have to select slide style 3. So where is style 3? 1, 2, and 3. So question number 3 is done. In question number 3, after reading instruction, we get idea that we have to apply a chart style. So for that, first we have to select that chart, then we have to click on more button and get more style, and from style we have to select style 3 on chart. So question number 3 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 4. After solving question number 3, now we are moving toward question number 4. In question number 4, we have to size and position a chart object. We have to again work on that chart. So point to the chart object border to display move point. Okay. Then drag chart object so its upper left corner in H4. H4. So we have to drag toward there. Upper left corner must be in H4. Then point bottom right section handle to display resize arrow and drag pointer to reach Q19. Q19. First we move toward Q, then 19. Okay. So question number 4 is done. In question number 4, after reading instruction, we get idea that we have to work on that chart that we have created, 3D pie chart. In first part, we have to select the chart. Then in next part, we have to drag chart so its top left corner is at cell H4. Then in part C, we have to point to the bottom right section handle to display resize arrow. Then drag pointer to reach cell Q19, and we have done, and we get this result. Okay. So question number 4 is done. After solving question 4, now we are moving toward question number 5. In question number 5, export a pie chart. We have to export a pie chart. Double click on the pie chart to open format data series task pane. Okay. Yes. Then click San Diego slice to update pane format data size. So where is yes, that is San Diego. Then click series option button. Yes. Then we have to set the pie exclusion percentage 10%. We have to export that to 10%. Then close the task pane and click chart object border to deselect San Diego slice. Okay. So question number 5 is done. In question number 5, there are 5 parts, and we have done each and every part step by step. In start after reading instruction, we get idea that we have to explore the pie slice. So double click on the pie chart to open its format data series task pane. Then in part B, we have to click San Diego slice to update the pane to format data point task pane. Then in part C, we have to click series option button. Then in part D, we have to set the pie exclusion as percentage at 10%. And in part E, we just close the task pane and click the chart object border to deselect San Diego slice. And we have done and we get this result. Okay. So after solving question number 5, now we are moving toward question number 6. Display and format the data label. Again work on that pie chart. So in first part, click chart element quick button, click data label arrow, open its sub menu and choose more option. From here, data labels, more option. Okay. Then in next part, we have to verify that label option group is selected in formatted data label. So yes, that is already selected. Label option, yes. Then in next part, click label option to expand group. Yes, that is already expanded that. Select category name box. Now we have to select category name box. This one. Then confirm that percentage and show leader lines box are selected. Percentage and show leader line already selected. Yes, confirm it. Then click separator drop down list and choose space. From here, drop down, we have to select space there. Then in part G, we have to click fill and line button, expand fill group and select no fill. Fill group and in fill no fill. Then click close task pane. Now we have to simply close task pane. So question number 6 is done. In question number 6, there are 8 to 9 parts and we have done each and every part step by step. In first part, here after reading instruction of question number 6, display and format data label. So we get idea that we have to again work on same 3D pie chart. So in first part, click chart element quick button and click label data label arrow to open sub menu and choose more option. Then we move toward part B where we have to verify the label options groups is selected in the format data label pane. Then in part C, click label option to expand the group if it is collapsed. Then in part D, select category names. In part D, confirm that percentage and show leader line box are selected. In part F, click separator drop down list and choose space there. Then in part G, we have to click fill and line button, expand the fill group and select no fill. Then in part H, we have close task pane and we get this result. Okay. So question number 6 is done. After solving question 6, now we are moving toward question number 7. Delete the legend and recolor the position data label. Okay, we have to delete the legend and recolor the position data label. So select the legend. First we have to select the legend. Then confirm your selection in chart element drop down. Then press delete to remove legend. Okay. Then in next part, click chart element drop down list, grant selection group, select series golf data label. All of city names or percentage are selected. Chart element data labels, chart element grant section and select series. Series golf. Okay. All of the city names and percentage are selected. Yes, all are selected. Then what we have to do next, Click text fill button and choose black text one. So text fill button, and what we have to choose, we have to text fill button, format tab, word style group, choose black text one. Yes, text fill button. So from here what we have to choose, black text one. Okay, then click as many times as needed to select only San Diego data label. Then point to display, move pointer and drag the label as shown. Then select each data label and position it shown in figure. If you accidentally move another element, then Control Z. Now we have to move each and every there. Okay, so this part is also done, this is also done. Click our sheet cell, so question number 7 is done. In question number 7 there are many parts. Okay, we have done each and every part step by step and we get this result. You may compare this one with this one. So we are just going exactly 100%. There is some problem with explosion. We have to put down these. Okay, now compare this one with this one. So we are exactly going 100% according to instruction. Okay, so question number 7 is done. In question number 7 there are almost 8 to 9 parts and we have done each and every part step by step. After solving question number 7, now we are moving toward question number 8. Create cluster bar chart update to simulate a funnel chart. So select cell A22 to B26. So first we have to select this range. Then click quick analysis button and choose chart. There. Then from chart we have to click cluster bar chart. Where is cluster? This one is cluster bar chart. So question number 8 is done. In question number 8 we have just 3 parts and we have done all 3 parts step by step. In first part, after reading instruction we get idea that we have to create a cluster bar chart update to simulate a funnel chart. Okay, so in first part we have to select cell A22 to B26. After selecting this range, then we have to click on quick analysis button and choose charts, and then we have click cluster bar chart. Okay, and we have done that and we get this one. So question number 8 is done. Same way we will solve question number 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Okay, so almost Half of assignment is done from my side in today's video. So remember that we have done Excel 2021 in practice chapter 3 guided project 3 to 3. So in short, we just download our required file, then we just move toward there in guided project 3 to 3, and we get to know that what SLOs we will cover in today's project. Then we just move toward skills covered in this project. We just read what we will get after solving this project. Then we move toward insertion file, and we have solved question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 step by step, you may see. So out of 15, first 8 question is done, means 60% assignment is done from my side in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, my email ID, my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description. You may contact me. I'm available. I will solve, and you will get 100% marks. That's my guarantee. That's my promise. Remember that here is also my WhatsApp number, and here is my email ID. Okay, you may contact me through here, through this WhatsApp email address, or you may also contact through my description, because everything is given also in video description. You may contact me. I'm available. I will solve, and you will get 100% marks. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price, and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, Power BI project, just like a SIMnet project, textbook project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may contact me. I am available. I will solve, and you will get 100% marks. That's my guarantee. That's my promise, because I'm in this field from last 10 years. So you can trust on me, and you will get A grade 100% marks. And I'm going to give biggest opportunity for every client, that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. In this way you will remain safe from the scammer, because there are many scammers in the market who took the payment from the client but they didn't solve their assignment. So from my side, that's the biggest opportunity for every client, for every student, that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. Our payment will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one and get good grade 100% marks. So in today's video we discuss Excel 2021 in practice chapter 3 guided project 3 to 3. We have done almost 60% assignment in today's video. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel, so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.